everyone, this is Katie with DEK Designs, and today I'm going to be showing you our November mystery kit. I'm going to set up my spread for the week of November 27th up to the 3rd of December. And also we're doing like a loop, somewhat like a loop. There's a handful of ambassadors for DEK that are also doing the November mystery kit reveal, and they're also either going to show you their spread that they did, or they're going to do like a plan with me. So make sure to look in the description below because I linked their YouTubes so that you can click on it and see how they use the kit, because you can be really creative with how you use your sticker kit and how you spread it out, and it's super fun to see how everyone kind of uses it and how it differs. So for the mystery subscription kit, you get your standard kit and you also get an extra goodie with it. So the extra goodie for the November mystery kit is a die cut this month. And it's a cute little hot cocoa plate that has some cinnamon and a mug full of yummy looking marshmallows, and it looks so cute with the kit. So let me show you the kit. It's very festive and wintry. Has that bright red color and then the green that kind of mellows it out a bit. So for the full boxes, for the first one, and the foil is silver foil. So for the first box, we have warm hugs and hot cocoa on a tan background with a red bow at the top. And next we have that hot cocoa station again. That's the die cut or the sticker flake. Then we have some mittens, and there's like some leaves, some pine leaves in it. And there's some foiled candy. Next we have a hot cocoa. Actually, it looks more like a shake. It might be like a cold hot chocolate. I don't know if you've ever had one of those before, but they're pretty good. And then we have the cutest snowman ever smiling, a candle, and then like a little wintry woodsy scene. And then lastly, a hot cocoa with the background being like pepperminty stripes. So that's the first page. Next we have the Monday through Sunday and then the washi sheets. Some more washi down here and some half scallop circles and then some strips. The flags, layering pieces, bow checklist boxes, and flags. Then we have some 2 extra full boxes. This one has this cute marshmallow that's like winking and a chocolate bar. Ooh, that looks so good. And then this sheet has foil on it that says Old Fashioned Hot Cocoa. And we have our heart date dots, weekend script, some functional boxes here, and then the Monday through Sunday box. Then we have our headers and glitter headers, our functional sheet, our fashion girl boxes, and then off to the side icons that you can use. And then lastly we have the deco sheet that also has some of the girls on it too. So this is all that comes with the November mystery kit that was sent out. If you want to get a mystery kit for the month of December, I also linked below the link to our shop to sign up for that. It's super fun. It's nice to be surprised. You never know what you're gonna get. We have a playlist on our YouTube that shows all of our other mystery kit reveals. So if you want to see the prior kits that we've done, just jump to our YouTube homepage and you'll find the playlist for that. I'll also put it at the end of this video. So without further ado, I'm gonna do some planning or do some decorating, I guess. My favorite part of laying out stickers is probably the deco sheet, because I feel like it just brings the kit to life and makes it so much more dimensional and fun. So I'm gonna have to, oh wait, let's get the hearts. My favorite time for planner stickers is probably this time of year, because I love the festive stickers. It just warms my heart. It makes me feel like a kid again. So right now I'm deliberating what planner I want to use for next year. I know it's a little late, I suppose. A lot of people have already decided what planners they're going to use, but I'm unsure. I don't think I'm going to do Hobonichi Cousin this next year. I think I'm going to try something new. But we'll see. Who knows? I might change my mind last minute. I'm indecisive like that. So Black Friday is coming up, so we are like hunkering our heads down and trying to get as much work as done possible before the sale starts. I am super excited because, I don't know, even though it's stressful, I like the hecticness of it, I guess. Once a year, everyone's going crazy for sales and stuff like that. I used to go out on the Thursday night, like at midnight, and I'd go shopping. I don't do that anymore, but it was fun. I remember getting like hot chocolate from Starbucks with my mom and my sister, and then we would like go to the mall or other places. And it was always so chaotic, but it was like fun. It was fun at the same time. I don't think I could handle it now, but it was fun back then. But I feel like now with Cyber Monday, now that's a thing, less people go out like they used to. I'm not sure if I'm going to be partaking in any sales this year. I might, but I'm unsure still. I do like the Happy Planner. That's the planner I'm using right now. I do like it. However, I feel like, I don't know, I honestly might have the Happy Planner as my main planner for next year. Just because you can add pages in, and I feel like that could be fun. I'm not sure if I'm a fan of the rings that are on it. Comment below if you know what planner you're going to be using for next year. I know on Instagram I had like a question box for that. But for the people that aren't on Instagram, let me know. That's crooked. So yeah, so for Thursday, I plan on eating a lot of turkey and probably just vegging out from eating too much and being with my family. Oh, this looks so good. Okay. Then I have my Monday through Sunday kind of over here in that dashboard area. And I like to track like either the meals that I ate that week, or I like to track if I did any exercise. Okay, let's do the bottom washi because I haven't done that yet. Oh, this washi strip is so cute with the hot cocoa and the other treats around it. Comment below what your tradition is for Black Friday, or maybe you don't have a tradition and you just kind of chill. Then I'm going to use these strips to kind of border some of these boxes to make them pop a little bit. I say that, but they already kind of pop with that foil on it. Ooh, it's so cute. And a little weekend script. And I'm gonna put this die cut. Where should I put it? There's no room. Okay, I changed my mind. I'm gonna be moving this over here. I got ahead of myself. I totally forgot about the die cut. So I'm just gonna peel these off, which I can do with our stickers because they come off very easily if needed. They don't tear the paper. And I'm gonna put the die cut right there. So cute. And I can just save this for another time and put it on my sticker sheet. And then for this, I'm gonna put one of the icons of the cutlery over here. And I'll just write dinner off to the side. Now I'm gonna do the deco. Okay, and that is my spread for the week of the 27th. I think it's the perfect spread to end November and lead on into December. And then I have all these extra stickers still left, so I could carry this on into the next week if I wanted to, or I could use it for another journal or planner since I have more than one. And that's what's awesome about the mystery kit, is that you get a lot of sheets of stickers for the amount that you spend. So again, make sure to check out our mystery kit spots that are now open. I have that link in the description below. And also check out the ambassadors that are tagged below and see how they use this kit and how their spreads look. I'm super excited to look and see what they've done with the sticker kit. I hope you all have an amazing end to your November and the beginning to your December. Thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure to follow us if you want to see more Plan With Me's and things like that, and check us out on Instagram as well. That's kind of like our main platform. I'll see you all again next time. Bye.